Hello, this is Tom from Stafford Audi, and today I'll be taking you around this approved used Audi Q2 Sport 35 TFSI 6-speed manual. This particular model comes in the stunning Mythos black metallic paintwork with a Manhattan grey metallic C-pillar and looks super sporty and stylish from every angle. From the 1.5 litre turbo petrol engine you get 147 brake horsepower and 200 Nm of torque. And with this being the Sport, you do get the slightly sportier front and rear bumpers and the matte grey design elements. On the front we have these fabulous LED headlights with LED daytime running lights, giving you maximum visibility regardless of weather condition. And on all four corners, these 17-inch 5 double spoke alloy wheels finish in silver, offering a lovely contrast to that black metallic paintwork. The electrically operated tailgate can be opened with a touch of a button and reveals ample room for your everyday essentials, weekend away luggage and weekly family shop, and should you need it, the boot floor does lift up for extra storage space and the rear seats do fold down so you can have larger, bulkier items inside. The interior is finished in twin cloth with contrasting stitching for maximum luxury and comfort, with more grey elements on the door cards and a 12-volt socket in the rear. Both outer seats are fitted with Isofix points so you can safely and securely travel up to 2 child seats in the rear of the vehicle. In the front we have the multifunction steering wheel with the Audi virtual cockpit behind, as well as the central screen and manual air conditioning. Both front seats are sport seats and have the leather contrasting grey stripes down the side, and they are manually adjustable with 4-way electric lumbar support, so finding your perfect driving position has never been easier. The virtual cockpit can be configured using the left side of the multifunction steering wheel. On the right is your volume and voice control, such as mid-journey phone calls, and underneath to the left your cruise control and speed limiter for those longer motorway journeys. The central screen is controlled with toggle and switches in the centre console, giving you access to navigation, Bluetooth connectivity, or DAB and FM radio stations. Underneath this screen we have the Audi Drive Select, giving you maximum control of the overall feel and drive of the vehicle. And with the manual air conditioning you have full control over the temperature, speed and direction of air for maximum comfort for you and your passengers. Thank you for watching this video on the approved used Audi Q2, which is available at Stafford Audi. If you have any questions or queries, please do not hesitate to get in contact and speak to a member of our sales team.